Hello everyone. Today we will solve module 4 important questions. First question is describe project management life cycle and sequence of development activities. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್. ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗಂಟಲು ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಡ್, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ವೇ. Let's go in simple terms. First, the project initiation means where this is where the project begins. The team discusses the project idea, answers questions like what is project. First they should know the what is project and what they should build and why it is needed and what benefits will it bring. Next they will check the project if the project is possible. ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹೈಯರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್. The company asks vendors to submit proposals to see who can best handle the project. Like employees, they will hire, manager will hire if they need some employees to work on this project, like stakeholders or some team members. They may ask for price estimates, ideas on how to solve problem, or information about the vendor's capabilities. Next step on the project planning. After initiation, after team members selected, what the project planning will be done. This is where the detailed plan for the project is created. The project manager outlines the task, resources, timeline, budget, quality standards and risk management plan. Okay, project planning ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ key documents created in the step include project plan, how project will be done, resources plan and quality plan and risk plan, how to handle the problem. This and all are done in project planning. Now project execution should be done. This is where the actual work of the project is done. The team works on completing tasks according to the plan. Deliverables means final products are created and checked for quality. Next step, project monitoring and controlling. This step happens alongside execution. Along with the project execution, this will be done, and the project manager keeps track of the project's progress. If something goes off track, they make adjustments to stay scheduled and within budget. Project closure, this is the final step where the project is finished. The final products are handed over to the customer and all the contacts with vendors are completed. A review is done to see what went well and what didn't and what can be improved for future project. Team members and resources are released and the project is officially closed. This entire life cycle ensures the projects are completed efficiently, on time and within budget. Okay, why this life cycle is important means it is organized process, it gives better result, learning for the future. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಟರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ವಿತಿನ್ ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್. Learning for future helps to improve future projects by learning from the past experiment. The project management, this is the diagram you should draw. This is initiating phase, planning phase, executing phase and closing phase. This is important. And this is software development, like analysis, design, develop, test and deliver. To remember easy, like IPEMC. IPEMC means I is for project initiate, then project binding, then project planning, project execution, then M is for project monitoring and controlling, then project closure. Why there is 5 means for project binding is the optional one. Okay, so first is project initiation, then project planning, project execution, then project monitoring and controlling, then project closure. So remember IPEMC. Next question is demonstrate activities covered by software project management with diagram. This is also easy. There are three activities, that is feasible study, planning and then project execution. In project execution there are many steps. Okay, so in summary we'll study feasible study means is it worth doing, means cost versus benefits, means how much we like invest, more profit should be there. then it will be worth, otherwise no. Next, planning. How do we organize the work? Execution. Make the software. Design, code, test, acceptance, support. Keep it running smoothly after it's done. This is the diagram for activities in life cycle. And yeah, this is the activities covered by software project management. Feasible study means this is the first step where the project is examined to see if it's worth pursuing. The goal is determined, the project is good idea based on its potential. We should verify that it's worth it or not to get the project, means to take the project. Okay, next is planning. Once the project is deemed feasible, we move to planning. However, planning for a large project doesn't happen all at once. First stage and later stage, we create a detailed plan for the initial phase of the project. Later stages, as the project progresses more, detailed planning is done for future stages. Okay, why it is important means proper planning ensures we know what needs to be done when and how keeping everything on a track. Project execution. What is it? This is where the actual work creating software happens. Execution includes several important steps. Okay, this is the main steps to execute. That is project execution, and there are many steps. One is requirement analysis, means gathering all the resources which we need to develop a system or the project, and then specification. This steps involves writing down the detailed description of what software is supposed to do, means what this software looks like. The outcomes of the software will be written, means it serves as a blueprint of the software. Specification. Design means we should plan how the software will be look and work. There are two main types of design: external design and internal design. How the software will look to the user, and internal design will be structured inside, like data storage, processing. A detailed design means here we broke down the software into smaller units that can be coded and tested separately. Next, coding, right? This is where we write the actual code that makes the software function. Next, testing. We test the software to ensure that it works as expected and meets the user's needs. Then implementation, installation. After the software is developed and tested, it is installed for the users. Okay, after tested and deployed, then only we can install the software. Acceptance, support. Even after installation, there is ongoing support to fix any problems and add features or improve the software. We can do after installation also. Okay, then next question is explain various stages of contract management. What is meant by contract management? It is a process of overseeing and controlling the creation, execution and fulfillment of contracts. It is the essential part of managing projects and ensures that both parties involved fulfill their agreed upon obligations efficiently and effectively. It involves everything from creating the contract